guys, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. As usual, I'm into doing crazy things for attention. This bad boy right here is a headlight out of some kind of Hyundai? I don't know, Elantra, I think. I'm not 100% sure on that, but basically what we're doing is I'm taking these bad boys. I got them from the junkyard for $18 a piece. I am on a mission to modify my headlights. Now that I'll be doing a new paint job on the car, I have to paint the housings because the white housing is going to go with my new theme. So while I'm in there, I ordered some switchback LED tubes. I have this headlight here, which I'm going to now in this video disassemble and pull out this projector because I need it. What I just did is I went down to a junkyard and I found something that's going to look like it's going to work best. And this I think is probably going to be optimal for what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do something custom here, so obviously you can buy those kits that just have the projectors, housings, and they're pretty expensive. But for $18 a piece, I got projector housings that I'm going to retrofit into my RX-8 headlights, and they should turn out pretty sweet. So stay tuned, check it out. For now, we're going to go through the assembly of this and see how hard it is to take these things out of these OEM Hyundai projector headlights. So basically, guys, the way this is going to work is fairly simple. Normally I would heat this up, remove the lens safely, and try to make sure that we don't touch the inside of this at all. I want to be very careful. But for this project, none of that matters. I'm going to be cutting all the way around this outside lip here with my Dremel here and a cutting tool. I just put on the end of it. What Dremel you use, I don't suppose it really matters that much. As long as you have a cutting tool. I really like these metal cutting discs. I think they're awesome. They work great. They're quick. They're just super efficient. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to cut all the way around the outside lip here. And then rather than bore you with the small stuff, we'll cut to when it's all done. Guys, this looks awesome. Just go ahead and check that out. I got it all pulled out. Essentially what I need is this piece right here. Try and bring it as far back as possible because what I'm going to be using this for, on the RX-8 it already has the low beams right here on the side. It's got two strikers and the low beam projector housing and projector right here. Now on this side of the OEM RX-8 headlights is similar to this, just a reflector tab and your bulb. Now I want to take that and retrofit this in place of it. So the objective here is to save as much of this as I can so that I can transfer it over to my RX-8 headlight with minimal damage and do some cool things here. So next up, now that I have the lens removed, is remove the projector. Okay, there she is. That is the projector housing bezel right there, taken out. Had two screws, one on each side there. I just removed it from the housing here. It goes to the back of it. You can pull it off. And then there was a projector. This is a pretty big projector, and I figure that's going to actually work to our benefit because I'm hoping that this big projector illuminates more light. But essentially what we're going for here is aesthetics, because I'm going to be etching the halogen or the projector lens itself. So I need this big lens for what I have planned. Let's get it out. And there she is. Projector housing. Now this bracket right here, I'm going to have to cut along here because this extra bracket isn't needed. I'm sure for the old housing it was, but for what I'm planning, not needed. So I'll cut around there. I'm going to keep the rest of this, and they're ready to go in. So in the next episode, I will basically be taking these projector housings and trying to retrofit them into the RX-8 headlights. But as for now, I'm waiting for 2 things to come in the mail before I can even start on that project. But I wanted to give you guys a video, show you how to get this done for, what, 18 bucks a headlight. That's pretty awesome. For 18 bucks a headlight, or whatever your area charges at the pull and save or pick and pull or whatever kind of salvage yard, scrap yard you got, you get some old headlights out of something like a Hyundai and pull these projector lenses, and you can make your own custom projector housing headlights. This will turn out pretty unique. Right now it doesn't look like much, but stay tuned and you'll see exactly what I'm going to do with these. So for now, don't forget to subscribe. Please like my videos. That helps other people see the content, helps me out big time, and it will go a long ways towards making some more of this content more prevalent. As for right now, I have to work, so it's kind of touch and go with this stuff, but be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next video, guys, because we'll be doing some retrofitted headlights.